Good afternoon, everybody. It's VEDA Day 9. I just wanted to come in and say hello. I made egg salad this morning, as you've seen probably at the beginning of this video, depending on how I edit this. It is a glorious sunny day today. I just came upstairs. I don't have much makeup on. I do just put a little concealer on under my eyes just so that I don't look like a ghost today. I never dress up when I go to the gym. Bathing suit on, t-shirt, pair of thin joggers. I'm going to slip on my Skechers tennis shoes and just go. My bag is packed downstairs. I do have to get a towel for the pool because I don't use the gyms because they bleach the stew out of those, and they have so much bleach that it affects my skin really, really badly. And when I come home, I have to shower and lotion from head to toe because the warm pool really affects my skin. Really, really affects my skin. Really dries my skin out. And so I have to use heavy duty, what I like to kid around as my old lady cream. But anyways, I am not going to have time to make the bed and clean my room this morning like I wanted to. I made egg salad this morning, then I had to clean the kitchen up. I had to get his clothes ready for the gym, and I have to go in and I have to feed my birdies and give them fresh water. I have to get out VEDA Day 8, and then I got to get downstairs and make sure that I have my Gatorades and my drinks and all of that to go today. So that is what I need to do. While I'm at the gym, I have to make 2 phone calls, so I need to make sure that I have the paperwork to do that. And what else do I need? I need to make sure that I have a pen with me just in case I need it. But other than that, I'm good to go. Last night I came home and I was just so tired from being out. Sometimes riding a bus makes for a very long day. I don't mind it, but it makes for a very long day, and I was so tired. I set my alarm for real early this morning. It didn't happen. I was so out of it this morning that I didn't even know where I was, and I kept thinking it was Saturday, and it's only Friday. That's how tired I was, guys. That's how tired. So you know what? I am going to take a breather. I am going to make my phone calls at the gym, but I'm going to enjoy the pool and the gym and seeing a couple friends today I haven't seen in a little while. I'm going to enjoy my time with my husband. And then, you know what? Work is always there for you, isn't it? So when I get back, there's going to be plenty to do. Plenty to do all the time. But today, I'm going to go to the gym and enjoy my day. And I'm going to take you guys along. Hopefully I remember to vlog. Stay focused, Heidi. Stay focused. You ever have that happen to you? Anyways, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to go in the office. I'm going to take care of my little birdies. And then I'm going to take care of my YouTube. And then I'm going to go downstairs and I'll be ready to catch the bus. Usually they are here between 11:45 and noon. They've been running late because they cannot keep bus drivers. It is a service that is here in our local area for people who are disabled. So if you can't drive or you're in a wheelchair, they take a lot of people to dialysis. There's a lot of people in wheelchairs, so obviously there's a wheelchair lift, and the people get on in their wheelchairs, and they have to be specially, buckled in because of the wheelchair. It is a very demanding job on those bus drivers, and I can understand where it would be very hard because sometimes some of the riders aren't very friendly, and I've seen them cuss the drivers out and everything, but their jobs are very, very demanding. Ronnie and I have became very, very good friends with a lot of the drivers, and my hat goes off to them because I personally think they do an exceptional job. You do have to be a patient person. You might have to ride a little while before they bring you home, and it can make for a long day, but I try to keep in mind that there are disabled individuals that ride the bus that are in extreme situations. that I'm not in. So I'm very grateful and very thankful. Take my earphones, listen to a book or a podcast, or talk to my husband. Sometimes there's friends on the bus and we talk to them. We just make the best of it. Just make the best of it. And that's what I love about Ronnie, because it does not matter if we're sitting on a park bench or we're at a McDonald's or if we're on the bus. It's still a good time, and we just enjoy each other's company, and we just don't get frustrated. We just breathe. And I try to remind myself that, because for a long time I was a person that's I just got frustrated, like time, crunching, and I just don't do that anymore. And I like my life the way it is. Let's see if it's rolling. We're at the YMCA.
YMCA.
And we decided to go for just a little stroll because I noticed these trees over here. Look how beautiful those are. You got a hold of me, hon?
I got a hold of it. I'll tell you
what. We got these flags blowing up here.
Oh yeah, it's a gorgeous. It's a very gorgeous. I'm sorry, sweetie. It's a very gorgeous day out today.
Mm-hmm.
One of the most gorgeous. It's about we're running about 78.
Look how gorgeous these trees are. This is my favorite time of year, and I just told Ronnie, I said, can we walk out here and just look at the trees for a minute?
Up for a good walk. I love the walk.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so gorgeous. I'm serious. I know this means allergies for some people, but it's
worth it. Well, we got our mask
It is
on.
so beautiful. I'm sorry, hon, I keep tripping you. Ronnie's back here, he's got a hold of me. I'm wearing my backpack, and there's where we go swimming, right in there. And I just had to come out here and take a little walk under the trees with my good-looking man. He's wearing the new cologne I got him yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
You smell so good.
Well, honey, I done it just for you, baby.
And you can see the tree over there across the street. Isn't that pretty? Why do we not have this at our house, Ronnie?
You don't send them to Mom?
Yeah, I'll send it to your mom. Look how beautiful. We should have our wedding under here.
Well, we could.
Ronnie, do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I
having
do.
a whole... I do.
I do.
And do I take you? Yes, I do. Now we had our wedding. I'd kiss you, but we have to wear a mask now, so we can't do it anymore. This is so pretty, guys. This just makes my day. Well, Ronnie makes my day, but this helps too. Whew. Squinty. It is really, really sunny. We're on the bench waiting for the bus.
We had
They are 1 minute late. I just ate a tangerine, drinking a Gatorade out here. It is so beautiful. It is too nice not to come out here and get a little sun before
Even when we get home, we might be able to get outside after our broadcast tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Now, tonight's Friday.
Broadcast at 7.
It is our broadcast at 7 o'clock, and we encourage y'all just to watch us every Monday and Friday at 7 o'clock.
They won't see this till tomorrow.
Oh.
But
still it's on every Monday and Friday at 7 p.m.
Just look up Ronnie Kinzer on Facebook, and he does a live video on Mondays and Fridays. Anyways, we were waiting for the bus. I can't see what I'm filming because it is so bright, but hopefully the bus won't be running too late today, and we can get out of here and get home. Really fancy to show for dinner, but I made French fries.
It's sure good.
We got fish sandwiches, and I made some donuts.
Dessert.
He loves those donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, that's what we're eating tonight. Whenever I fry something in oil, I always make donuts. They're made with biscuits, the canned biscuits. And I think I did a video on it, and I'll try to remember to link it somewhere so
I know
you
one
guys
thing.
can check it out.
The way some of these donut places are downsizing, you might want to make them.
He loves them. He loves them. Hey guys, I have not got a shower yet. Ronnie and I just did our live broadcast tonight. It just finished up. It is 5 till 8, and we went on for 55 minutes. So Usually we try to keep it not over 45 minutes, but tonight we had a pretty long scripture reading, and he sang 4 songs, and it went really well. So if you are someone who is one of my subscribers and you tune in, and one of you is Lisa, so thank you so much for tuning in. That means a lot to me and Ronnie. So I think it's awesome that what we do, and we have a lot of fun doing it and making connections. You know, when this whole, first of all, I want to tell you, my husband plays the piano, he sings, and he's so used to traveling and singing at different churches. It don't matter what kind of church it is, he sings at all churches. If they ask him, he sings. And we're just so used to going, and when the pandemic hit, that stopped for him. So we started doing the live gospel broadcast right when COVID started, so that people could still go to church and hear him sing. And it has blessed a lot of people. My husband blesses a lot of people and inspires people. And he's just such a good-hearted person. He just loves everybody, and everybody loves him. He's going to go out on the porch for the remainder of the daylight we have outside, because right now, like I said, it's 5 to 8. And I'm going to go take my shower, and then I'm going to clean up the kitchen. And before I know it, it is going to be time to go to bed. And I have a feeling that I'm going to be pretty ready for that bed this evening after the day that I had. But anyways, had a good day. I so enjoyed my walk today over at the gym, looking at all those trees. It just was so beautiful. And I also need to wash a load of clothes this evening, so I better get cracking on that. And that is pretty much it, guys. Can you believe this is VEDA day 9 you guys are watching? So my husband's getting ready to go outside. I'm going to go take my shower, and I will catch back at you here in a bit. Well, I want to come in here and end this vlog with you guys, this VEDA video number 9. I want to thank everybody for watching my VEDA. Thank you so much for your support. Be sure to like, and I'm bending the camera for some reason. I'm so tired, like so tired, and I kind of figured I would be by the end of the day, because this morning I woke up like death. I was like, coffee now, coffee now. And you know those nights when you sleep very, very hard? I slept so hard that I know I was snoring and my mouth was wide open. It's not one of my finer moments. But anyways, thank you so much for watching VEDA. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're new, hit the like button so I know that you're enjoying VEDA. And I hope that you have a fabulous weekend when you watch this. Remember, there'll be a video that comes out every single day for the month of April. So I'm so excited to do this, and I'm pretty proud of myself. Week 1 is down. Week 1 is down, and we're into the weekend. I'm going back to the gym tomorrow with Ronnie, unless something else comes up. But as far as I know, I'm going to the gym. I'm looking forward to it. And I will catch you later. Have a fabulous weekend. Bye, guys.